Imagine a bustling town, where the local bank stands as a beacon of stability, its doors always open, ready to help dreams take flight. This bank is not only a building of bricks and stones, it is a sanctuary of hopes and dreams, promising a secure future. Behind this serene facade lies a world thriving on precision, where every penny counts, and a delicate balance is maintained. It's a stage where the drama of financial transactions unfolds, where billions hang in balance, and where decisions, investments, and deals weigh heavily. This is an environment filled with uncertainties, a landscape that undergoes constant changes. It demands vigilance and strategic planning. Every transaction is a calculated gamble, and even the mightiest banks can find themselves on shaky grounds. This is an industry that shapes economies, where the smell of money is a constant. It is a thrilling world, where every new day brings a new chapter in an unending story. Welcome to the world of banking, where fortunes are made and lost, and where even the mightiest institutions can find themselves on shaky ground. Legendary investor Warren Buffett recently sounded the alarm, cautioning about a storm brewing on the horizon. This storm, unlike any ordinary one, carries implications that could rattle the banking sector. With a force of $2.2 trillion, it's a financial tempest with the potential to drastically reshape the industry. The consequences are predicted to impact not just banks but the whole economy. This impending storm is expected to trigger changes that will reshape commerce, finance, and trade for years. We stand at the brink of this financial tumult, wondering, how did we get here? The answer lies in a sequence of financial missteps, business choices, and economic trends. Unraveling this story requires a journey to the origins of this dilemma. So dear viewer, let me take you on a journey through time. Our story begins over 40 years ago, when banks balanced risk and reward on a financial tightrope amid soaring interest rates. These towering figures, as volatile as they were high, dictated every decision. The challenge before them was to lend to eager borrowers with dreams but also risks attached. The economic stage pulsated with the rhythm of interest rates, each decision a calculated risk, each strategy a gamble. The dance was treacherous, a single misstep potentially devastating, a well-executed plan lucrative. However, as decades passed, interest rates began to plummet. This marked a shift in the landscape. The treacherous dance of high interest rates was evolving into an era of cheap debt. The new era, characterized by affordable loans and a real estate boom, was significantly different from the past. A new era dawned, one of inexpensive debt and booming real estate. Picture this: buyers and businesses snapping up properties left and right, fueled by historically low interest rates. The scenery that unfolds is of real estate's golden age, when houses weren't luxuries, but rather everyday purchases. Properties sold quickly, attracting across demographics from young dreamers to seasoned moguls. The economy was vibrant, prospects promising. Affordable home mortgages converted many dreams into realities. Real estate was no longer just an investment, it became a status symbol. As interest rates fell, demand for properties surged, pushing property values sky high. Profits were abundant, and everyone sought a piece of the pie. It seemed like the good times would never end. Busy cranes, bustling construction workers, cleared land, soaring buildings, symbolizing optimism and prosperity. But as they say, what goes up must come down. Fast forward to today, and the landscape has shifted once again. In this transformed world, one notable phenomenon is the escalating interest rates. This sharp rise, unlike anything seen in recent history, has taken economists by surprise. It's like a tidal wave, significantly influencing all aspects of the financial sector. The epicenter of this issue lies in commercial real estate loans. These loans are soon to be recalibrated at these mounting rates, creating a potential financial crisis. Borrowers, who relied on these loans to fuel their business dreams, face a dangerous predicament. Similarly, the lending parties, the banks, also find themselves on thin ice. This situation could lead to considerable upheaval in the financial world, the effects of which will be experienced by all. And here lies the crux of the problem: commercial real estate loans, set to reset at higher rates, leaving borrowers and banks alike in a precarious position. How does this impact the average Joe? Let's explore this through an analogy. Imagine being the proprietor of a thriving small eatery, a hub of camaraderie and gastronomic delight. This isn't just an ordinary diner, it's your passion, the result of your tireless toil and steadfast commitment. Each day, patrons savoring your food, you dream of scaling your venture. You visualize turning your thriving eatery into a foodie's paradise, serving a broader audience. You envisage owning a restaurant chain, a brand synonymous with exceptional culinary experiences. These aren't simply fantasies, they are ambitious plans. However, ambitious plans often come with significant financial obligations. The concept of expansion is thrilling, but the associated cost is daunting. The financial commitment tied to your vision is as expansive as the vision itself. Summoning your courage, you gather your hope and decide to pursue financial aid. Approaching your local bank seems like the next logical step. With your dream and its financial demands in tow, you enter, hoping for a receptive response. It's a critical juncture, the turning point. You present your plan, hold your breath in anticipation, only to be met with hesitation. You see, the bank, once a stalwart of stability, now contends with losses from deteriorating loans. This descent into the red began inconspicuously, triggered by several ventures that didn't yield expected profits. As the burden of debt grew denser, the bank found itself submerged in unexpected losses. Like a fragile edifice tremoring at the whim of the breeze, the fiscal solidity was disrupted. This unstable situation set off a chain reaction affecting local businesses. Credit accessibility started to diminish, leaving small and medium enterprises struggling for financial respite. With their lifeline shrinking, businesses were compelled to scale back on expenses. This move tightened the squeeze on contractors and real estate agents. The economic shockwave birthed by this crisis swiftly proliferated, engulfing the entire financial ecosystem. The once thriving marketplace gradually turned into a mere silhouette of its past. As the economic topography morphed, the aftershocks of this financial meltdown reached every nook and cranny, every individual. And so, the ripple spreads, touching everyone from contractors to real estate brokers, casting a shadow over the once vibrant economy. Fear not, dear viewer, knowledge is power. Banking, seemingly a fortress of numbers and calculations, can be overwhelming, but I am here to assure you, it's not as complex as it appears. With the right guidance, even its language and principles can be mastered. Embarking on this journey, we'll delve into the heart of finance. We'll navigate the maze of investments, loans, interest rates, and credit scores. We'll unravel the codes of economics, lighting this vast, dark domain step by step. Throughout this journey, we won't be alone. We'll gain insights from industry legends like Warren Buffett, absorbing their wisdom, studying their strategies, and learning from their successes and failures. So join me on this journey as we unravel the mysteries of finance, learning from the wisdom of legends like Warren Buffett. Remember, the journey forthcoming may be full of challenges, but with the right information, we can endure any storm life may throw our way. It's not a solitary journey, but a collective endeavor that thrives on unity. That's why I invite you all to join this journey. See that subscribe button? It's not just a button, it's a gateway into a realm of discovery. By clicking that button, you're committing to personal growth and joining a community of like-minded individuals ready to share this journey. So press that subscribe button and let's embark on this adventure of discovery together. Together, let's navigate the tumultuous seas and reach the shores of wisdom. Let's satisfy our thirst for knowledge and feed our curiosity. Until next time, continue on this path of curiosity and stay hungry for knowledge. Remember, may your investments be as solid as the bedrock beneath our feet.